In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset macros on MyFitnessPal. Full tutorial. If your macro numbers look off because of accidental entries or you simply want to start fresh for the day, this walkthrough will show you how to clear your diary so your macros reset to zero. We're not changing your macro goals here, we're clearing the food logs that are contributing to today's totals. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app. If you're not signed in, tap login, enter your email address and password, and then tap login again. If you're already signed in, you can continue right from your home screen or dashboard. From the dashboard, tap diary. At the top, double check the date so you're working on the correct day. If needed, use the arrows to switch to the day you want to reset. This helps ensure you don't delete entries from the wrong date. Now look toward the top of the diary for a small pie chart icon. Tap the pie chart to open your nutrition summary. Then tap macros. This view shows your carbs, fat, and protein breakdown, along with how each logged item contributes. It's a great way to confirm what's driving your totals before you reset anything. To clear those totals, you'll remove the food entries for the day. Go back to the diary screen. In the diary, tap the three dots to open more options. Choose Edit Diary. You'll see checkboxes appear next to your meals and items. Tap Select All to highlight everything in the current day's diary. Once selected, tap the delete icon at the top. When prompted, tap Delete to confirm. A quick note before you confirm. Deleting entries removes them from that day's log, which is what resets your macros. If you want a record of what you ate, consider taking a screenshot first. Also, this only affects the day you're viewing, not your entire account. After deleting, your diary for that day should be empty. To verify the reset, tap the pie chart again, open macros, and you should see your carb, fat, and protein totals back at zero for that date. If something still appears, double check that you're on the right day and that all items were selected and removed. That's it. You've reset your macros by clearing the day's logged foods. If you only needed to remove a few entries rather than everything, you can use Edit Diary again and select just the items you want to delete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your tracking clean and accurate.